आज चंडीगढ़ शहर के सबसे पुराने और सबसे बड़े क्लब चंडीगढ़ क्लब चुनाव में अध्यक्ष व उपाध्यक्ष पद के लिए किस्मत आजमा रहे उम्मीदवारों के बीच उन वादों व दावों को लेकर चंडीगढ़ प्रेस क्लब में महा डिबेट का आयोजन किया गया। देखते हैं इसके कुछ अंश।
We are starting with the presidential candidate, Mr. Naresh Chaudhary. Respected Mr. Naresh Chaudhary will tell you about himself. Please sir, अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं।
गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी, आई एम नरेश चौधरी। मेरा बिजनेस चंडीगढ़ में रियल एस्टेट का है।
चलिए आगे चलते हैं। नेक्स्ट चल साहब, प्लीज आपको इंतजार होगा। रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा चहल साहब से वो खुद अपने बारे में कुछ बताएं, अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन भी दें और अपने एजेंडा के बारे में भी बताएं प्लीज।
Is this working?
Thank you so much, respected presidential candidates, Anurag ji, the distinguished guests who are here. Before the heated debate starts, there is one example I want to give. We did talk about Abraham Lincoln, we did talk about President Trump, we did not talk about Prime Minister Modi. No debates, yet 3 elections on the trot, being the Prime Minister of the country, and 3 elections to the post of Chief Minister. So it is not always a debate, but the performance and the charisma which a leader carries with himself that determines whether he can lead or he cannot lead. Now, I've been born and brought up in Chandigarh. 1982 is when I was born. 1987 is when I was enrolled before the St. John's High School. I'm proud to be a Johnian and I'm proud to be a old boy. 1996 is when for the first time I represented Chandigarh in the under 14 cricket championships. So my background as a sportsman, I want to please let you know. 1999, I did represent the country in the under 19 team, which went to Australia to play the bilateral series with Australia as a part of the BCCI under 19 Indian team. Thereafter, I got my scholarship and admission to the Hansraj College in Delhi. I did lead the Hansraj College cricket team in the inter-university Delhi championships before I was sent to DAV College to lead the DAV College team once Yuvraj Singh and Dinesh Mongia exited Chandigarh to play for Punjab. I had the honor of being the captain of the Punjab University team for 2002-2003. Up to 2006, I represented the Punjab University for 5 years in the inter-varsity championships. Now what is inter-varsity? It is the collection of players from North India to represent the team from North India in the zonal championships comprising of 5 zones across the country. So I have had extensive stint as a cricket player, as a sportsman.
Very good.
As a sportsman, the qualities which are inculcated amongst us is teamwork and hard work. Hard work without teamwork has no individuality. If your team is good, your hard work as a collective unit is rewarded. Being a part of an extinguished executive committee of the Chandigarh Club, it was a teamwork that led to an individual glorify his success. Coming to my academic background, I did my schooling from St. John's, as I've said. My 12th was from Government Model School Sector 35, for which I got my scholarship. I did my LLB from Punjab University 2006 batch. Though very late, but in 2022, I could muster the courage and complete my LLM. Many people ask me, why LLM at the age of 40? Why at the age of 40? So I want to say that learning is a never-ending process. We all learn with whatever we do in life, be it a debate here, be it a debate outside, be it elections, being a part of elections, contesting or not contesting, we all are learning at every stage in life. So learning is a constant. And the other constant that is change. Change evolves the world. Change has to evolve during these elections. The decision is with the voters. The candidates are in front of you. May the best man win.
Great. Very good.
That's about it.
So,
My agenda I will highlight you in a bit.
great.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Ranveer Singh Chahal. I am a software engineer plus an MBA in marketing. I've been in top MNCs for more than 25 years. I've taken senior management positions in IBM, Oracle, Microsoft, Ericsson, Avaya, and now I consult government and defense for IT and telecom. Son of a defense officer, the family has been defense for many generations, and I'm a member of this club from the 1980s. So I'm the second generation now. I've been brought up in clubs like Delhi Gymkhana, top clubs in the country, in the world, in DSOIs. And I think this club is going down year by year, and it has fallen to a level which prompted me to stand for elections this time. I was always sending emails, telling people to hold elections, but somehow nobody gave a damn as to why elections should be held. That's primarily the reason I have come and standing for it. My agenda for the club is phenomenal. What has not happened in the last 8 years will happen in the next 8 months. Many things like, number one is accounting. The club today stands at a financial, just think about it, 7,000 plus members, each paying subscription every month, and we are in a loss. There is no mathematics which proves it.
I beg to differ to that. The club is
sir,
not at loss.
please, you take the mic.
Take the mic.
Sir, I would beg to differ on that.
Yeah.
The club is not in loss.
No, it's a liability.
No. So liability,
Yes. I'm saying about
every
liability.
balance sheet would have assets and liabilities.
Yes, it's a
So
liability.
you need to read that balance sheet.
We will do- we will
so
do-
there is not in loss.
Okay.
So only in a period of 2 years during the period of COVID, there was some cash flow issue. But presently we are in profit. We are, all dues have been paid, government dues have been paid. The club is not at loss.
So if you want to start a discussion, I thought it was just an introduction. If you want to start a discussion, we will start a discussion
Of
also.
course, this is a debate. It was an introduction.
The
We
debate
will
is
give a chance to everybody to
second
introduce
part.
and then we'll start the question. Very good point raised.
Sorry.
It's over.
So the other things which we have to do with the club is to make a club not like a barat. You have an event in the club, you'll see so many people coming in. And there will be too many guests. The members feel outsiders when the event happens. The ladies are not comfortable. This is an example within the family and within the close friends. This is something which we have to streamline. So look, I'll give a very simple example. A few days back I was in the club and suddenly I meet so many people who were all guests. That particular day I think there were more guests than members using the club. So we have to streamline everything. The club should be like a family. Each and every member is a part of the family. Here some decisions are taken in which the family is not involved at all. We should do that. That's the whole belief. I have come here for a fresh perspective, a fresh initiative, accountability, integrity. These are the basic things which we have to streamline. Rest, as and when we are there, we'll have meetings with the crowd, meetings with the members, which have never happened. We have never taken feedback from members. Never. I have never seen an email coming to me or a WhatsApp coming to me that please suggest what should we do. Never ever. Why?
This is not introduction, huh?
Yeah. Yes, let's move to
stick
it.
to introduction.
Yes.
Please, give the mic.
So,
Sir, your turn, please. A brief introduction.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Anurag Agarwal. I am an engineer from PEC and an MBA from UPS Punjab University. And after doing that, I joined my family business, which is OE2 Punjab Tractors, Swaraj Mazda, Punjab Agricultural, Mahindra and Mahindra, Swaraj Building, and Sonalika. So that is my core business. We are running also a school in Mohali by the name of Learning Paths. School in Section 67. So basically, I would say I'm a hardcore Chandigarhian. We moved to Chandigarh when I was 3 years old. Had my entire education starting from St. John's, 10 years at St. John's, then DAV, then Punjab Tech, then UBS. So the entire education, and then after that the entire working life has been with Chandigarh. So transformed over the last 40-50 years. And I've been actively involved socially and otherwise I've been having assumed a lot of leadership roles. I've been president for the Mohali Industry Association almost 3 times. I've been headed the Punjab Engineering College Alumni Association as president and as general secretary. I'm leading the University Business School Alumni Association as its president. I'm part of the Sajoba fraternity. I'm part of the leadership roles at Rotary Club Shivalik, the part of the Rotary Club. And I'm a member of the Technical Board of Education and Industrial Training Punjab Government, member of Punjab Construction Workers Welfare Board, Punjab Government. I've otherwise also been social and religiously, we've been chairman of the Shiv Mandir, Shahi Majra, the Shara Committee, Mohali. He's running a trustee for the Bal Gopal Gaur Society at Mohali. So there will be that way. In the last 30 years, I've been actively involved, and I feel I have a kind of leadership roles. I've been part of the executive committee, present executive committee for 8 years, and we tried in the last 8 years to do our best, whatever is within our area of operations. So there were a lot of improvements in the club in the last 8 years, I would say, infrastructurally, in terms of new things coming up.
We'll come to the points. Point by point,
yeah.
yes.
So presently,
Let's stick to introduction only. Your only introduction.
I did mention in my introduction a few challenges. There are plenty more. So I would like to discuss them one-to-one with the teams. The basic challenges here are membership issues, the guest issues, the financial issues, the quality of people we are getting as members, the quality of the food we are serving, the extracurricular activities for senior citizens. The focus is not on them. The focus is not on the daily members. The focus is not on the children. Where is the focus? The club has a reputation now. If you speak to somebody who's probably not from Chandigarh and who's been here a few times, he will say it looks like a drinking
Let's
hole.
first get the reply on these points
Yeah.
from Mr. Arora, because he was saying he is not satisfied
Yeah.
from what he said. Please counter.
sir, my only reservation is regarding when you said quality of people. I think we don't want to judge.
No. I mean to say,
I would like to say
I
Done
don't-
better.
we are all respected members of the club.
I will
We should
rephrase
not
it.
talk about quality
I
of
will
people.
rephrase it.
Yeah. So basically, we are talking about what are the numbers we are looking at. We should definitely have a restriction on the numbers, because a club today, the club has exploded with beyond its seat. So we are almost 7,500 voting members. Then there are daily subscriber members, senior citizen members, other members. So overall membership goes up more than 11,000. Probably
कृपया हिंदी में करें सर.
अच्छा जी.
मातृभाषा हिंदी का प्रयोग करेंगे जी.
तो जो हमारे जो टोटल नंबर मेंबर्स हो गए हैं अपने जल्दी क्लब में, वो 7500 तो वोटिंग मेंबर्स
7,447 हैं.
और उसके बाद हमारे लेडी सब्सक्राइबर मेंबर्स हैं, सीनियर सिटीजन मेंबर्स हैं. तो ये जो गिनती है बढ़ के 11,000 से ऊपर चली जाती है. एंड आई थिंक क्लब एट टाइम इतना बड़ा